our sandwich prep table. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right, 60¼ inches. A depth of 29½ inches. And a height of 41½ inches tall with cover. Without the cover, we have 34¾ inches. Coming to the right and left of the sandwich prep table will be 8 pans, a total of 16 pans that will be included. Each pan will measure 6¾ inches in length, 6¼ inches in depth, by 4 inches in height. Measurements apply for each of the 16 pans included. Measurements for the cutting board we have by 10¼ inches in depth. Left and right swing doors with the interior containing the left and right shelves. Each shelf will measure 27¼ inches in length by 17 inches in depth. Measurements apply for the left and right shelf. With the interior refrigerator dimensions, we have 56½ inches in length, 11 inches in depth, by 24 inches in height. And coming to the right top column will be a thermometer that will be included. Located on the left will be the ETL certification sticker. Coming to the back will be the temperature control along with the 110 and 120 voltage plug. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.